8 Ways to Make Money with QR Codes. Hello and welcome back to my channel Computer and Internet Do's and Don'ts. In an earlier video I explained what QR codes are. Today I want to discuss different methods to make money with QR codes. First of all, what is a QR code? A QR code is a machine-readable code consisting of an array of black and white squares, typically used for storing URLs or other information for reading by the camera on a smartphone. QR codes are versatile tools that can be used creatively to generate revenue. Here are some innovative ways to make money using QR codes. Offer QR code coupons. Place QR codes at your physical location or on public posters. When scanned, these codes reveal limited time discount coupons to users, encouraging repeat purchases and customer retention. Lead website visitors to download your app. Use QR codes on your website to provide a direct link for visitors to download your mobile app. This simplifies the process and increases app adoption. Digitize your direct mail campaigns. Include QR codes in your direct mail materials. When recipients scan the code, they can access exclusive offers, product information, or sign up for newsletters. Encourage email sign-ups. Create QR codes that lead to email sign-up forms. Offer incentives such as discounts or freebies to encourage users to subscribe to your mailing list. Show demo videos on brochures. Embed QR codes on printed brochures or marketing materials. When scanned, these codes can link to demo videos showcasing your products or services. Upgrade product labels to educate customers. Attach QR codes to product labels. When scanned, they can provide detailed information about the product, usage instructions, or even customer reviews. Generate leads from email signatures. Add QR codes to your email signature. When recipients scan the code, they can instantly access your website, portfolio, or contact information. Collect customer reviews. Encourage customers to leave reviews by placing QR codes on receipts, packaging, or in-store displays. Link the codes to review platforms or feedback forms. Remember that QR codes offer immediacy and simplify customer journeys, making them an effective tool for various marketing campaigns. Be creative and tailor these ideas to your specific business needs. So there you have 8 different ways to make money using QR codes. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more computer tutorial videos.